All right, guys, Boom Deal sent us a pretty awesome product. This is their new AI glasses, and I'm super excited to work with them. So they have dual stereo on them, built-in microphone for calling, and I am super excited to show you what we are working with. So a couple things. I'm all about technology kind of being at the fingertips, and this is the gold version. So my wife is going to absolutely love these when she sees them. So you got the charging cable right there. It does have a proprietary cord, so I always just tell people that is something you want to keep in mind. Let's go ahead and get into the actual unit. So here itself, you do get a little cleaning cloth. You have your manual guide, and then the all-in-one QR code to download the official app, which we need to make that happen. And while we're sitting here, before we get too far, I'm going to download it. So it gives you a little code on here with the activation to activate the product. So we've got to go to that. So let's go ahead and go to the App Store. So it's going to go through the Hyper AI Assistance program. So that's what it's going to go with. So we want to download it right from the App Store. So super important to make that happen before we even get into these. Let's go ahead and see. While that's downloading, let's go ahead and take a look at the start of the show, which is going to be the glasses. So here we go. You get that first look with the opening here. Okay. All right. Okay. So here they are. Definitely different than some of the glasses I've seen in the past. You got the microphone right here, little thick bezel on the side, but I'm kind of digging this low profile metal frame. Nothing crazy with it, and I am digging that. Let's go ahead and see here. You can wear these around without any issues. They're not true sunglasses, more just like regular old glasses, and I am absolutely digging that. Check out that overall look. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can see here. We got to agree some terms and conditions. We've got to sign in and create our account, which we're going to do that. And let's go ahead and add a device. So these are going to be the smart glasses. So let me go ahead and get the right one. Scan to accomplish 2 tasks. There is our code. And this is going to be the, get to the right one here. Go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth settings, scroll all the way down. MZT is what we're looking for. Smart glasses, okay. And we're going to go down to Hyper, just like that. Okay, so once we have it logged in, now we have product to activate it, which is super important. And we can see what they like. So this is super cool. Discoloration sunglasses, okay, and then remove protective film. So it is going to color up. Now these are clear light, so I'm not going to be like your shaded normal style stuff. It's going to be a whole lot different. You do have it on the back, so this is where your micro or your speaker is going to be. So it's going to be kind of playing right behind it, which is super important. You have your power button on the sides here, which just makes it easy. And we can turn it on and be able to connect with things just like that. Let's go down Bluetooth, see if it pops up now. Got the GS06. There we go. We are connected and heard that without any problems. Bluetooth connection, GS06 right there. Activate the device. We got an activation code. Give me 1 second. We're going to scan the code. Just like that. Finish. And with this, we can do a couple different things. From a listening perspective, which makes it super cool. You can AI record, live translate, just like that with these, which is super awesome. So let's go ahead and see if we can also play some music through them. I don't know if it's going to work, but I can hear. And let's go ahead and see Hey, got the music playing through the speaker right in the back, so I'm able to hear that. That is super sweet. So I know you guys can maybe hear it just slightly, but that's where it's going to be without any issues right there. Now, within the unit, you can see here you have your photos, AI record, live translate, AI chat, AI translate, and then linkage to Bluetooth right there, which is super important. We're going to do AI record. Okay. And let's record it. We're going to allow it to the microphone, allow while using app. And now we're going to be recording this here. So real quick, we're just going to record. You can see it right there. It's popping up the information and making it happen. That's pretty neat. What do you think? That's neat. You should buy these because this is a pretty cool little process. I'm going to take off this tag in a minute. I know it looks goofy, but at the end of the day, this is a proper product that you need to pick up. So there we go. And end it. So it's uploading the audio file just like that. We can drop a transcript and bullet points, all the AI stuff right there, ready to go. Guys, with all within the Hyper MZ app, but Boom Deal sent us an awesome product here. Go ahead and check these guys out. Got the gold and black, looking crisp and clean. These things are super sweet. Check them out.